The most important thing before teaching any kind of sex ed class is to establish a classroom agreement. Through this exercise, all students have a chance to list some ground rules that'll make everybody feel more comfortable and to make the class more effective for everyone. For example, a rule that no one should make fun of other people's questions or comments, no interrupting, everything that's discussed in the class stays in the class, and so on and so forth. The rules of each class will differ, but that's fine as long as students know that their unique needs are being supported. It's a great way to build trust and to get students to open up more. So give it a go before you teach your next sex ed class.
It is so important to say what's important to you. Can't be discouraged, it can take courage to avoid feeling